Hello, hello. I hope everything is okay right now. चलो ठीक है. Sound is good. So hi everyone. कैसे हो आप सब? Welcome back to YouTube channel Classes with me. Hi everyone. कैसे हो आप सब? Welcome back to YouTube channel Classes with me. कैसे हो आप सब? So okay, let's. Hello, hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back to YouTube channel Classes with me. Hi everyone. कैसे हो आप सब? Hi everyone. कैसे हो आप सब? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back to. Hi everyone. कैसे हो आप सब? Hi everyone. Welcome back to YouTube channel Classes with me. Hi everyone. कैसे हो आप सब? Welcome back to YouTube channel Classes with me. Hi everyone. Hello, hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back to YouTube channel Classes with me. Hi everyone. Welcome back to YouTube channel Classes with me. Sorry. Okay, let's start with today's question in this live stream. That is just okay. Hmm, Perfect. So today, same assignment number two. Today also we will be talking about assignment number two, but with a different question. That is question number four. Okay. By that time, you can ask your doubts, and I can help you out in solving all the doubts, right? So in question number four, what we have been given the order. Well, we have to showcase the output with order ID, product name, order date, discount, where order date is between June 22 till November 22. So June 2022 till November 2022. So it is like June starting to end of November. ठीक है. It's 30, right? Sorry, 11, not 2. It's 11. ठीक है. It is like that. Simple. So what we will be doing for that, let's keep this thing here. Hmm. And let's copy and paste all the tables from here, right? Let's oops, sorry. Right now we will write all those solution here with the practical point of view. So it is like question 4. Okay, and we can write like select everything from the table and execute it. So here what we have order date. So we can write where order date greater than, I can write 2022 0601 and order date less than 2022 11 30. Let's see, do we get any output in that? Hmm, let's write like this and get, let's see what happened here. Sorry. Right now it's okay. So let's do an order by so that it is easy for you to understand. Ascending order, and from here we can find out that it is from with greater than equal to would be better because we want from first, right? And less than equal to, so that the date we have given is also included in it. Okay, so first June it is there, and till last 30 of November 2022 it's there. Okay, सो इट इज लाइक अर्लियर व्हाट हैपन, अर्लियर हमने क्या किया था, अर्लियर क्या किया था, ग्रेटर देन, सॉरी, ग्रेटर देन 22 दिया हुआ था, राइट। तो ग्रेटर देन में क्या होता है, ये जो डेट है ये इंक्लूड नहीं रहता है, राइट। द थिंग इज डेट इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड, ठीक है। तो अब क्या हो रहा है, अब जब हम ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू दे रहे हैं, द गिवन डेट वट एवर द डेट इज देयर इज इंक्लूडेड हियर, ठीक है। सो डेट इंक्लूडेड इन दिस फंक्शन, मतलब ग्रेटर देन भी रहेगा और इक्वल टू रहेगा। इक्वल टू में क्या है, डेट इंक्लूड रहेगा, प्लस ग्रेटर देन में द डेट्स आफ्टर द गिवन डेट, ठीक है। सो दैट इज द थिंग, सिंपल। हमने वही किया है, इस पे सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट लगाया और आउटपुट को फाइंड आउट किया। और यहाँ पे जो भी हमारे कॉलम्स दिए हुए हैं, लेट मी जस्ट शो यू द कॉलम्स, व्हाट कॉलम्स यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट। यू कैन राइट द कॉलम्स एंड गेट द आउटपुट, ठीक है, सिंपल। देर इज नो ग्रुप बाय और देर इज नथिंग इन दैट, you can directly just write the with these things, column name, and get the output, right. So this is the thing that we have seen in this filtration of dates, correct. So anybody have any doubt in this, or should we move forward with the new question? Okay, so no worries with that. Let us move to next question, question number 3, and let's see what output do we have to find out, ठीक है. So if you want to ask any question in between of this solving session, question solving session, you can ask, right. Question number 5. Okay, so what we have in question number 5, we have कि find out the customer whose name contains the word apple. चलो ठीक है, इसमें क्या पूछा गया, सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में, कि एक वर्ड दिया गया, कोई भी स्पेसिफिक वर्ड, ठीक है, सपोज एक्स वाई जेड, इस तरीके का वर्ड दिया गया और पूछा गया कि एक पूरा नाम में, ठीक है, ये वर्ड कहीं पे भी हो चलेगा। अगर इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है आपको इंटरव्यू पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में, तो हमेशा देखना वर्ड किस तरीके से लिखा गया है। क्या वो ऐसे लिखा गया है एक्स वाई जेड, या क्या वो ऐसे लिखा गया है, ठीक है। द थिंग इज, इन दोनों में डिफरेंस है। अगर इस तरीके से लिखा गया है, दैट मीन्स कि इधर वो फर्स्ट नेम या तो लास्ट नेम का पहला लेटर होगा, ठीक है। और अगर वो ऐसा लिखा गया है नॉर्मल सब लोअर केस में, तो इसका मतलब है फर्स्ट नेम और लास्ट नेम के बीच में ही, मतलब फर्स्ट नेम के अंदर और या तो लास्ट नेम के अंदर कहीं पे भी हो सकता है, राइट। सो ऑलवेज चेक द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द वर्ड दैट दे हैव told to find out in the question, or if you have any other doubt in that, I would make sure to ask the recruiter कि is it case sensitive or is it any other thing, ठीक है। ask the question, but you should do cross question, I would say this, right. So okay, let's see, do we have any questions here left? Okay, No worry, till now no question asked, but anyways you can ask your doubts anytime in this live stream. ठीक. So let's move to question number 5 and write the thing. It is like select everything from 7-Eleven store where I would say the customer name like percentage apple percentage. ठीक है, simple as that. And when you execute it, see you got this many columns. Okay, right now what I will do, I just want the distinct of customer name here. ठीक है. So if I do distinct of customer name, I get only one customer name where this letter which I have to find out is present. So it is written like that, capital A double P L E. So capital A is there. Okay, that's why I've written capital A. If the same thing I've written like this in a lower, I mean lower case, then there won't be any answer here. But when you write this thing in a upper case, I mean in the same format that it is presented to us in the question, you will get answer for that. ठीक है. अब चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पे एंड लेट्स फाइंड आउट व्हाट सॉल्यूशन डू वी हैव फॉर दैट. ठीक. In question number 6, okay, let me just, so in question number 6 what we have, in question number 6 we have around like what's the question, yeah, details for the order ID after June 2024 where ship mode is either cash or pay later. That means you have to find the order IDs where order date is after June 2024. ठीक है. It is what after June 24. So it should be like January, February, March, June. It should be like after 30/06/2024. ठीक है. And this should not get included. ठीक है. That's why greater than. ठीक. This is the first filter that we have to apply because they have told order placed, sorry, order after June 2024. ठीक है. Order after June 2024. Right. So this is the first thing we have written and we will present this thing in query. But it is not the only thing that we have to do in this question. That is question number 7. हमें इसके साथ और एक चीज भी फाइंड आउट करना है जो कि है शिप मोड. इसमें पूछा गया है जो शिप मोड है that can be like this, either cash और either it is pay later. ठीक है. या तो कैश होगा या तो वो पे लेटर के फॉर्मेट में होगा. ठीक है. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, इधर इट इज कैश और इधर इट इज पे लेटर. ठीक है. सो देर आर टू थिंग्स विच वी हैव टू put a condition on. This is the second condition and this is the first condition. ठीक है. These are the two condition which we have to take care of. ठीक है. So right now let's write this thing. Oops, sorry. Select everything from 7-Eleven store where order date greater than 20 24/06/30 and the ship mode in what we have in cash or what we have in that pay later. ठीक है, this is the thing. Let's run this and see do we get any output. Okay, we got the output. So let me give a order by statement, order date in ascending format. And when we execute it, we can see each and every order date is after 30. Hey, hi Lucifer, welcome to live stream. Hi Lucifer, welcome to live stream. कैसे हो? Okay, so we have one query. Can you tell which college is best and affordable for MCA? For MCA, bhai, आई हैव टू सर्च भाई, सर्च एक बार सर्च करना पड़ेगा, या तो मैं अपने MCA के लिए एक्चुअली वन ऑफ माय रिलेटिव, मतलब मेरे कजिन का रिलेटिव हैड डन BCA एंड MCA बोथ, तो उनसे एक बार पूछता हूँ. लेट मी आस्क ऑल्सो वन थिंग कि वो कॉलेज से किया है कि मतलब द थिंग इज कि ऑनलाइन है, वो एक बार पूछना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, ऑनलाइन मतलब करेस्पॉन्डिंग कोर्स है कि क्लासरूम कोर्स है, वो एक बार मेरे को पूछना पड़ेगा. ओके, आई हैव वन मोर क्वेरी. नेक्स्ट ईयर आई वांट टू गो एंड डू MCA ऑनलाइन. अच्छा, ऑनलाइन तो आपको करेस्पॉन्डेंस कोर्स में चाहिए. पूछता हूँ कौन सा अच्छा है, क्या है. ठीक है, लेट मी आस्क. MCA का, राइट. डू वन थिंग लूसीफर, एक बार मेरे को मेल कर दो. ठीक है, ताकि मेरे को याद रहे. ठीक है, जस्ट राइट इन अ मेल रिलेटेड टू दैट, ताकि मेरे को याद रहे और मैं पूछूं फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी में. ठीक है, जस्ट मेल मी वंस. दैट्स द मेल ID. एक बार आप मेरे को मेल करो, ठीक है ना लूसीफर. ताकि मैं उसको ऑन अ अर्जेंट बेसिस देख सकूं, मेरे को याद रहे, मतलब प्रायोरिटी बेसिस आई कैन चेक एंड टेल यू. ठीक है ना, तो आप एक बार मेरे को मेल कर दो. मतलब ऐसे याद है बट स्टिल टू बी ऑन द सेफ साइड, कि मेल को मैं थोड़ा फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देता हूँ इसीलिए. ठीक है. राइट. So by that time, anybody have any doubt in the live stream? Okay, we have one query. I sent you a mail as you told. Okay, let me check once. Sorry. Okay, I've got it. I've got it. ठीक है. I have received your mail. No worries. चलो ठीक. Just so anybody have any doubt in the live stream, you can ask your doubts. Okay, we have one more query, and it should be affordable because all that college expenses on me, and if you and any government scheme that help me handling that expenses, can you tell me? Okay, 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 no worries. Okay, let me ask. Matlab, the thing is ki, let me ask my cousin. I don't know what was the budget for that and all. MCA ka, she had done in correspondence, I think so, in Hyderabad or somewhere, I believe. I'm not confirmed for that as well, but one thing I know, she had done MCA. Let me ask. Okay, let me ask that. ठीक, let me ask that. ठीक है. Okay, we have one more query because I am applying for job, but in India I'm not getting a job due to my background is from BCom. Okay, okay, understood, understood. No worries for that. No worries for that. Let me ask and see what is the scenario and all. Okay, I will mail you back for that. No worries about it. Right, okay, okay, चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let me ask and see what's the status and what it is all about. Mm, mm. Okay, thanks, sir. Yeah, welcome, bro, welcome. But let me reply it back to you. Let's see what response they have and all. Okay, no need to worry about. Let me ask and see. Chalo. Okay, by that meantime, let us move to this question. Question number 6 we have done. Now let's move to question number 7. In question number 7, you have to find out the customer name whose name not start with B and end with EY. So here is one twist. It is like not start with B and end with EY. Okay, and end with EY. It is like that. So it is like not start. Okay. So let's see how to carry on with this question. Select everything from 7-Eleven store where customer name not like. Okay. Earlier what we used to do, we used to write customer name like this thing. So we have to do like this. Right now, customer name not like B, then anything can be there, and last should be end with EY. I mean, the last two letters should be EY. So that's why when we execute it, we have got all these outputs. So let's take a distinct customer name and execute it. Okay. And in this, what we have see there is no B and all. So it is like order by customer name ascending. Let's see what we have in this. There is only A is there, B is also there, but end does not end with E. Okay, that is the thing. So okay, we have one more query because I got warning from my that they will stop my money supply after 3 months. Okay, okay, no worries for that. No worries for that. Let's check out any good MCA college inside budget for your studies. Means I can ask my relatives and all, because one of my relative has done that. So let's see what was the college name and all those thing. What was the institute name and all. So then I will get back to you. Let me ask and see. Okay, what response do I get? So anybody have any more doubts in the live stream? Like anybody have any doubt in the live stream, they can ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just they can ask your doubts here. Like anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts. Like anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Okay, by that meantime, let us check out some other questions here. So question number 8, what we have in question number 8, we have is like we have to retrieve the details of order ID, order date and ship date for orders placed on 20th June 2023. Okay, so it is question number 8. And let's see, we have to retrieve the details of order ID, order date and ship date for orders placed on this. So we have given an order date. Okay, order date is given to us like 20 June 23. Okay. Okay, and we have to return the top two for that. Okay, let's write the query and see what output do we get here. You have to write select everything from 7 11 store where order date, first let's take care of the order date, where order date equal to 2023-06-20. Okay, and when you execute it you get the output. These are the order dates. Okay, and right now from this what we have to find out, we have to return with highest profit. Okay, so we need order ID, order date and ship date, order by profit descending. Okay, let's find the output. Okay, so these are the two outputs that we have received. Let us see profit as well. What profit do they have in this? So we can see these are the profits. Okay, for the order ID these are the profits. Okay, but for from here we have to find out the only two, so limit 2 I am doing here. Okay, and when I execute it, what I find out, 191 are the data that is having good amount of profit. I mean the top two profit out of the four rows, that is 100 is the first, second is 91, means total we had, see total how many rows we had total four rows, so it is like 100, 91, 47, and 51. But in our question, what they have given, top two records in highest profit. Simple, just go and execute it. And what output do you got like 100 and 91 are the two records where the profit is on a top two list out of four. Okay, these are the things. So we have done question number 8 for that. Let's go for question number 9. Okay. Let's see what output or what question have they asked in question number 9. ठीक. So by that meantime, let me see, do you have any more questions here in the output? I mean here in this live stream. तो चलो, let's see what question do we have for this. So by that meantime, anybody have any doubt in the live stream, they can ask your doubts here in the live stream. I'm ready to help them out. ठीक है. Let me just check. Okay. So question number 9. In question number 9, what we have to retrieve the detail where ship mode is cash and no discount is given. Also quantities either 3 or 7. Okay, so there are three criteria which we have to take care of. Question number 9. So there are three criteria which we have to take care in this. Where ship mode is in cash. ठीक है चलो. First criteria is ship mode is in cash. ठीक है. Second criteria, discount should be 0. Third criteria, quantity. Quantity should be either 3, either 7, any of the two, any of the one, I mean to say. So let's write these three things. Select everything from 7-Eleven store where ship mode equal to cash. ठीक है. Then we have to write and discount equal to 0, discount equal to 0, and there is one more thing, quantity can be anything, quantity can be 3 or 7. And let's find the output and let's see, is all the three things on a proper way. So ship mode cash, let's see, discount proper 0, and quantity is in 3 as well as in 7. So everything is properly done, and we can see the three things in the output. Matlab three criteria is fulfilled, and out of this three criteria we got the output. ठीक है. First thing is ship mode is cash. Second thing is discount is 0. Third thing is quantity in 3 or 7. So all the three things has been properly done and managed, and also we have received the output. Okay, simple. So in that meanwhile, do anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can ask here. Okay, anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can ask your doubts in the live stream, and I will help you out in that, right? So anybody have any doubts in the live stream? You can just ask your doubts here. So anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts here. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can ask your doubts in the live stream here. Like anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Sorry. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts here. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can ask your doubts here. Okay. By that meantime, let us do question number 10. So let's see what we have in question number 10. In question number 10, we have to retrieve the detail where profit is greater than 100 and quantity is in between 2 and 5. Okay, simple. So the question is, select everything from 7-Eleven store where profit greater than 100 and quantity is in between 2 and 5. मतलब 2, 3, 4 or 5. ठीक है, it can be like that. So we can write quantity between 2 and 5 like that. Can we write this? Let's see. Quantity, no, it cannot be like that. Quantity between this, can we write like this? Let us see. Can we write like this? No, we cannot write like this as well. Let's see, can we write like, okay, we can write like that. Quantity between 2 and 5. So let's see what output do we get. So we have a proper quantity as well as in profit as well. So we will write order by quantity and let's see what output do we get. In this we get an output of, okay, quantity is 2. So it's order by, so it is obviously from 2 it will be till 5. Right now let's see for the this profit. Let's see for the profit what do we have. For profit we have proper like more than 100. It is like if it is like either 100.1 then also it will be added because anyhow it is more than 100, right? So more than 100 is here and in this we can check out the solution for that. Okay, that's the good thing that we have done assignment number 2 for today and it's around 10 o'clock. So by that meantime, anybody have any doubts in the live stream, they can ask your doubts. ठीक है, anybody have any doubts in the live stream, they can ask your doubts in the live stream. I am ready to help them out. ठीक है, किसी को कुछ भी डाउट हो related to anything in the live stream, just ask your doubts in the live stream. आई एम रेडी टू हेल्प देम आउट। ठीक है। So, okay. So, anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can just ask your doubts here. Like, anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can just ask your doubts. As we have completed question number 10, or we can say question number, I mean, last question for the assignment. So, by that meantime, anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Like, anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can ask your doubts here. So, anybody have any doubts? Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can ask your doubts here. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can directly ask your doubts here. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts here. Okay, so it's around 10 o'clock. I think we should close the live stream. Okay, so let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream, right? So tomorrow again with the, I mean, live stream where we will take care of assignment number 3. So let's meet again tomorrow in the new live stream. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and let's meet again tomorrow in the new live stream. ठीक है, चलो, bye bye.